Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and we have a Tuesday news episode. I hope all of you had a great weekend and Labor Day if you live in the United States. If you live elsewhere, I hope you had an awesome weekend. Anyways, today we are talking about, is Bitcoin going to $10,000? What's going on with that billion-dollar Bitcoin wallet? And other things like Bitcoin being sold at Walmart. Oh, what? Before we get into that, guys, just wanted to say thank you to everyone subscribing and hitting that notifications bell. Thank you everyone nuking the shit out of that like button. And if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. Now, taking a look at the markets today, we have a growing market cap. Okay, we were down close to 200 billion not too long ago. Now we're almost up at $2.5 billion. Right now it's sitting at 238 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 53%. And Bitcoin, wow, it has just been growing. I don't want to say I called this with the MACD trading strategy, but that was just, yeah, that's my ego right there. Anyways, Bitcoin is 73.21, Ethereum at 287. So we see Bitcoin moving up and Ethereum is still standing, still can't break that $300 level. XRP at 33 cents, Bcash 629, EOS 648. Now, for the big volume movers today, Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, EOS, and Bcash, duh. But the big change for today, what is going on? Bitcoin Dark, Komodo, Monero. There's a big privacy push going on. You know, when people like one privacy thing, they like all privacy things. However, Bitcoin Dark was done away with a while ago when the whole team moved to Komodo. I think this is just a well-organized pump, so I would not be buying any of that. Definitely not. Also, Monero, people are concerned with privacy. Price of Monero shoots up. Stratus, Waltonchain, Omi's Go, Nem, VeChain, all of those up as well. We'll talk about some more of those coming up. Now, what's going on here? We've been in this rising channel. Okay, you guys see this? Boom. Whoops, gotta hit that button again. There we go. I'm still learning how to use TradingView, right? Anyways, we've been in this rising channel for quite a while. Moving on up. And as you can see, things look pretty darn nice moving on up. It all started right here when we had the MACD crossover. Guys, I made a video, posted it, I think Friday, just on the MACD crossover. So check out that video if you want to learn more about how to use that, because that is a momentum indicator that tells you in general where the market's going. And in general, Bitcoin goes where the market's going. And in general, it's been making me some money. So I wanted to share that with you. Check out that video on Friday. So that's what's been going on with Bitcoin. Price is still going up. Will it keep on going up forever? Probably not. Is this just another little whipsaw movement? Probably, but I'm going to keep my eye on the MACD. Now, the big news today, Bitcoin could rally to $10,000, but must first be able to hold at 7150 for a few weeks, says expert. All right, this expert, he says that there's a whole bunch of whipsawing volatility. We really need to find it staying at that area for a while. He thinks the key level is 7150 to be more exact. But if we can hold that level next week, I do think we will see a sentiment turnaround in the market. If the 7,000 level holds for a week or two, the bulls will be 100% back. Now, does that mean the bulls will be back? No, but changing sentiment, I'm starting to feel it. I mean, it's funny. You can feel these things around the market. I've been going to conferences and stuff, and people are starting to be a little bit more optimistic than they have been over the past 8 months. Now, does this actually mean anything? No. But because prices are ultimately just very large pump and dumps, lots of manipulation. But could the manipulators be wanting to move the market prices back up? Potentially. I could see that. This wallet was a story. This story, 111,000 Bitcoin wallet becomes active after 4 years of dormancy. And then a volcano farts. So anyways, this was posted was it a little while ago? Anyways, I think this is an older story. But I didn't get to share this because it happened over the weekend. And so basically, a wallet with 111,114 Bitcoin, worth about 800 million, close to $1 billion of Bitcoin, started being used again. They sent some Bitcoin to exchanges. Now, some people think this is Satoshi. Others say it's connected to Silk Road. It's possible as well as connected to Mt. Gox. or some anonymous whale investor. Nobody knows. It hasn't been touched in 4 years. But it's starting to be used. The good news is that even if all those Bitcoins were sold in a day, it would not have a dramatic impact on the market, which is awesome. That means they can do whatever the heck they want. See, the Bitcoin market can easily handle the sale of billions of dollars in Bitcoin since there's tremendous demand worldwide. Very cool. Makes you think, though, what happens if one of these is Satoshi? Somebody asked me that question at the Coinvention, and I did not have an answer. If they said, what would you do if Satoshi came back? I said, well, he'd have a lot of new friends. But other than that, I didn't know what. Here we go. This is one reason not to believe in the Bitcoin forks, Bcash, you know. Anyways, Bitcoin Gold to be delisted from Bittrex declines to pay declines to repay stolen coins from the Bitcoin Gold chain. So, Bittrex requested that Bitcoin Gold repay 12,372 maybe 12 million Bitcoin Gold as a result of double spending attack on the Bitcoin Gold chain. Okay, Bitcoin Gold decided not to accede to the request, and the consequence will be delisted from Bittrex. So basically, they had 12,000 Bitcoin Gold stolen because of double spending attack, a 51% attack, and they refused to pay it back. Now, a 51% attack, surprisingly, not that hard to do for most of the smaller proof-of-work coins. This website right here, crypto51.app, shows you how much it costs. So if somebody wanted to 51% attack the Bitcoin network, not only would they have to spend $500,000 per hour, but they'd also have to somehow come up with all that hashing power. And you can't rent it from NiceHash. You would have to go out and buy a whole bunch of ASICs miners. So it'd be very difficult to do. However, when we start going down to some of these other ones, like Bitcoin Cash is actually having double spending going on. It's happening. Very few people are talking about it. Maybe I'll do an episode about it. But yeah, they're having double spending issues going on. So not very secure because it's only $45,000 an hour and, you know, whatever. But if you get even further down, let's look at some of the other Bitcoin forks. Bitcoin Private, $165 an hour. That means for a day, $2,500, maybe $3,000 for a day. It's 51% attack Bitcoin Private. Get a whole bunch of private, secure Bitcoin. Why has nobody done that yet? And you can totally rent it all from NiceHash. How about another one? Bitcoin Interest? Yeah, $100 an hour. That's $2,400 a day. And yes, you can rent it all. It doesn't have Bitcoin Gold on here, but I'm sure it's somewhere down around Bitcoin Private, Bitcoin Interest. You see, proof of work is only as secure as the number of people, the number of nodes on the network somewhat, and their hashing power. That's why Bitcoin in the beginning didn't matter because that there weren't that many people mining it because the price was somewhat low. But with some of these Bitcoin forks, they're worth a lot and there's nobody using it. And that's not great. That sets them up for a huge 51% attack. Yikes. Oh, however, for Bitcoin, for the originator, Bitcoin enthusiasts create a fully functional POS lightning system. Customers pay for a beer in Bitcoin. Now that's awesome on two levels. One, they've got a fully functioning lightning network within a little bar. Two, a lightning network, a simple way to think of that is like a bar tab. Basically, you give them your credit card in the beginning, and then you get all the beers you want, and then you close out in the end. Well, guess what? They went and did this. This dude, Renee Pickhart, said, at Lightning Hack Day, we created a Spark as a lightning node for Room 77. Just bought Cola versus Lightning Network, paid for a burger and drinks with no direct channel. Very cool. Lightning Network in use. It's coming, guys. Layer 2 solutions. Don't worry about scalability and all that stuff. Now they can focus on the real world things that they need to focus on, which were, don't know. Holochain in the news. Unconfirmed reports that they're going to partner with Mozilla. Also, NEX, the Neon Exchange ICO, is off to a very smooth start. So that is an ICO that I thought would be pretty cool because they're aiming to do a lot of the team from City of Zion, the Neo developers. They're having a decentralized exchange. This is it. They're aiming to make it so simple that your grandmother could use it. So it'll be her first blockchain exchange experience. And it's off to a smooth start. So if you guys want to get into that, you can go to sweet.neonexchange.org and you can find out more information. How about this? EOS. Rising costs are turning EOS into a crypto coder's nightmare. That's not good. So basically, what happens is when people want to create these dApps on EOS, in order to onboard users to an EOS dApp, developers have to make sure they've secured efficient amounts of RAM, CPU, and net. So RAM is the amount of storage on the blockchain, CPU is the average consumption of computing resources, and net, which is the average consumption in bytes. Well, they have to secure amounts of that. Basically, the biggest headache right now is RAM, because right now it equates to about $3.12 per user of the dApp. So that means if you want to get 10,000 users on there, that's $30,000 just in RAM. If you want to get 1 million users, that's $3 million that you have to secure on the EOS network. I don't think that's going to allow itself to be many killer dApps. That's why there's a dead dude holding an EOS coin. Last few pieces of news for you today. Waltonchain just officially released their white paper 2.0. For all of you Waltonchainers out there, you can go download that and read it. I think that is a good thing where they update their white paper, because a lot of white papers were written a year plus ago and they're completely irrelevant. But Waltonchain has updated their white paper. Also, this dude wants change.org to see Dogecoin accepted on Amazon. Only collected 9,000 signatures, is reaching 10,000. Will Amazon recognize it? Probably not, but man, if they did, Dogecoin price would go up through the roof. Now they're saying Dogecoin because it's fast, cheap, and stable. Definitely more fast, cheap, and stable than Bcash. Alibaba is listing on the top global blockchain patent rankings, says new research. That's right, Alibaba has 90 patent applications, which is the most. IBM has 89, MasterCard has 80, and Bank of America has 53. Look at all these people trying to make money off of blockchain without really doing anything other than just making patents. Totally against the whole open source thing, but that's what they do. Last little bit of news. Check it out, guys. You can go buy Bitcoin at Walmart. Turns out it's not $7,000. They rolled back the price for their everyday low price of just $1 for Bitcoin. But actually, no, it's just little Bitcoin milk chocolates. It's like the little gilt, you know what I'm talking about? Gelt? Is that what it's called? I don't remember. But yes, you can get little Bitcoin milk chocolates. Now you're saying, how can you do this? Well, it turns out there's no Bitcoin company that can sue them. So they can do that. Kind of like Bitcoin Energy. My man Craig met him at Coinvention. They got Bitcoin Energy. So if you like energy drinks, you should check this out. It's a new Bitcoin energy drink, and they actually give away Bitcoin. They have a cool slogan. They give you wings. We give you Bitcoin. I would prefer to have Bitcoin, but wings would be cool. Lastly, guys, this weekend I was at Darlington with my man Rusty. Had a great time there. There was a rewards.com car there. There was also one for TradingView, also one for Blockchain Terminal. So had a great time there. Probably heading to Indy coming up soon. But if you have a crypto or ICO or anything you want to get on a NASCAR, go to Crypto Rusty. I will be soon next month at the Litecoin Summit in San Fran. Probably going to tour around San Fran also. Check out some of the sites like the Grateful Dead House. That big zigzaggy road. Maybe Alcatraz. Who knows? And lastly, guys, you all know I've been having fun using signal profits for trading, daily trading signals. I've been doing pretty good, like 10 to 60% returns on most of these things. A few of them get stop loss at like minus 6%, but you know, that happens with all trades. It's pretty cool. I'm not an expert, but Jake is. He's like been the #1 trader on TradingView, which is pretty badass. 22 for 22 trades recently. You can get a 7-day trial. No, a 14-day trial for $7. Link down in the description is an affiliate link. I make money off of that. Now, let's give away a shirt. If you want one of these shirts, remember, just comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. We had 4 videos since I gave away a shirt last. The news video, the MACD trading strategy, that's the one that I mentioned in the beginning for predicting Bitcoin price jumps. You might want to go watch that video. BitMax video, and Fibonacci retracement video. That's right, I'm doing some more trading videos for you guys because you asked for it and you get it at the People's Channel. Crypto Love. So 4 videos. Here we go. Number 3. All right. BitMax. Not many people watch this video, so there's not going to be many comments. So one of those lucky people is going to win. Win it like a chicken dinner. Here we go. 46 comments. Somebody wanted a shirt. Definitely wanted a shirt. All right, good luck, everybody. And the winner is Matthias Derrick. He wants a t-shirt. He wins a t-shirt. Well, Matthias, it's probably Matthias. Congratulations. Email me at the email on my about page. I will send you a shirt anywhere in the world. I'm going to guess you are from not Deutschland, the Netherlands, dude. I think you're Netherlandish. All right. Well, catch you guys later. Have a good one. All right. Peace.